Light is the presence of all colours. Valencia is light. Valencia is for you. Around here, we like swimming in the sea, running in the Chiria gardens, using the tracks, playing, cheering, clapping, sweating. Around here, we like going a step beyond, getting together, participating, joining in any sporting event. Our city celebrates diversity. Meeting, you have to be part of this race. Because we want, above all, to enjoy with you at the start and at the finish line. Valencia Gay Games 2026. Valencia, the light of diversity.